GM, we're live on Abstract, and I'm gonna record this because I will also publish this on my X account and on my YouTube. Today we have a new flash badge. We got 1 week to get this. This badge is awarded to those who cash in at least one Cambria artifact in Season 3. We can see this now in the Abstract portal. I hope all of you claimed the last badge. I told you this in advance. If you're not following my channel, then please do so, because then you would have known in time that you needed to mint each of the days. We had the extra phase, but it was too late for the flash badge. So if you watched my videos, then you knew this and you should have received this badge. And now we have the next one live, Cambrian Artifact Hunter. I haven't played Cambria since the Blast days, because I don't know if you noticed, but they started on Blast. I haven't checked them out since. I checked a little bit of videos on the gameplay of Cambria, and it looks actually pretty good, and it's not the same RNG game anymore. It's actually a real RPG now. And what we're gonna do today in this video is we're gonna play this together, get the badge. And now let's hit view details. As always, we see what we need to do: cash in an artifact from a kill in Cambria to earn this badge. Now let's go. Go to app. If you're watching this recording here on either YouTube or X, make sure to follow me on Abstract so you don't miss the live streams. I will also do a little bit of Pengu Clash and exploring other side as well. So there's lots of stuff to do. And if you have any questions, we can sort them out live and not here in the comment section if you're watching the recording. All right, let's go through this step by step. Sign in to play. I'm doing this for the first time as well. Now we need to hit Abstract. I actually had a account on Blast. Probably that's not working anymore. Let's mute the site. All set, your account is secured. Embark on a new journey to New Cambria, a mythical new world recently discovered by explorers from the Crowdlands. Okay, nice intro. Do you know what it takes to rise to the top? Let's set... let's see if we can... Yeah, there's no ENS for this one. Let's go with this. Probably... no. Seems like the old data is lost. We can go here, actually make this blue. Okay, we adjusted this a little bit, but yeah, let's not waste too much time. Connect your Discord account to be eligible for various perks and incentives in Cambria. Let's go, let's do this. We need to allow preview. Let's drink a little bit of coffee because it's early in the morning here. While recording this, Gold Rush Season 3 pre-game, invite code, don't have an invite, use code, let's go, check access, and here we go. Let's enter the world. Let's not do the one-step transactions for now. Cambria, connect your Abstract global wallet. Let's do that again. Sign and continue. Script or bought anything. Let's play this game. This will be a long recording, to be honest, because there's lots of steps that we need to do, but that's a good thing. Also, on the other side, we need to spend some time, but again, then there will be lots of people that don't know what to do, after watching this video. Let's go upstairs. Nice, I got my blue hair. All right, here we go. Level up. Now what we need to do is we need to kill some cows. All right, let's go somewhere else. There's way too many people here. I don't need to click many times, just once, then it attacks. All right. And now we're collecting the materials. That's good. So what we need to do apparently is level up to level 40. Gather materials, also to then be able to get 100 silver. Once we have the 100 silver, we can go to the mainland and then we can level up to 40 and then actually go to the area. We can get the artifact that we need for the actual portal. Probably for the recording, I'm just gonna skip the part where I kill the cows and collect this. So what I'm doing is just attacking them one by one, leveling up, getting materials, and then selling them to get the 100 silver. If we hold Option or Alt on Windows, then we can actually see the level of the cows. Those are both level 3. Probably we're gonna go to the center of the village to Cyril, because we want to see how much silver we get out of the cows that we just killed. Let's go up here. Here we go. There's Cyril. Here we can sell our stuff. We want to sell everything. Oh, now we already got 70% of the silver. We got beer. Let's sell some cow meat. Boom, here we go. Now we should be able to actually go to the island. We will skip all the other parts here that we have for the tasks. Don't want to waste our time. We're just gonna go to Fong. I want to leave the island. Now we got the first part done. Now we will kill some cows, chickens, and sheep to level up. We are currently level 24. We need to be level 40 actually. So for the recording, what we're doing is we're just killing more cows, chicken, and sheep. It takes a bit of time, but that's how it is. Level 28 currently. And here we go. We're actually level 40. We did nothing more than just going here on the map and killing some sheep and cows. And now what we need to do, now that we're level 40, we need to actually go all the way down to the bridge. And then we should start seeing some mushrooms there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This is the way to the hunting area. And what we need to look for is shrooms. But they're not good shrooms, they're evil shrooms, and there is one. Let's see if that will give us some nice experience points. Experience points, yeah, and we sadly did not get an artifact. That sucks. Here he's back. So apparently they're spawning super fast again. It's a couple of hours later. I had to pause and also my energy was used up. But now I finally found an artifact. As you can see here, artifact found. You've just looted an artifact. Artifacts give you royal favor points when cashed into Sir Arlus. At any of the major cities, the more royal favor you get, the more bribes, airdrop, and NFTs you will earn. It looks like this. It dropped from one of the shrooms. Actually, one of the red shrooms. One like this one here. Now this guy is also fighting, but I already got an artifact. I'm good. You go ahead and take it. But yeah, now finally a stupid artifact dropped. While I'm down here, I'm gonna fight one more to level up a bit. So if you don't have the the scroll or the charter here, then you don't level up your skills above level 40. So it's up to you if you want to do this. It's 0.008 ETH, I think. But what I've read on X is that you can actually trade in one artifact, even without the pass. And here's the mistake that I did. Those are only in the T2 region, so you need to go more down. So it says T3. That's super important because those here, they do not drop the artifacts. Now what we do is we go back, because I'm dying anyways. Let's go back, let's go back. Check, 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 check. If we go back to the major city, just like this, we get some healing powers here. This is right directly above the bridge. If we go up, then we search for Sir Arlus. I think he's somewhere here on the top left. That's Arthur. That's someone else. That's the bank. Where is he? All right, here we go. It's basically on the top right. We can continue. Let's do this. Oh my god, finally. Yeah. That took so long. We're gonna approve this. We get some points. All done. Here we go. We got Royal Favour and coins. We can open the mailbox. Nice. Give us some coins. But there we can buy better swords and stuff. But the most important part is what should be working now is actually go to rewards, close. Now we're gonna do the refresh here. That didn't work. Let's do a hard refresh. You notice from the previous batches. If you don't notice, make sure to follow so you don't miss any of those abstract videos. View details. I did this. Maybe we need to give it some time actually, because we did this and it's on chain. Probably it takes a bit of... here we go. Redeem badge. Claim badge. Yeah, give me the badge. I want the animation. Hard refresh. Well, that was a bummer. We missed the animation, but what we did not miss is the badge. So finally, this is how to get the badge. This was the hardest one to get, to be honest. I hope you had fun following along. I cut this down quite a bit because, to be honest, it took almost an hour to get this badge on and off because I needed to go offline because it didn't work right away. So you should be faster. Make sure to kill the red shrooms because the other ones didn't drop it at all, and with the red ones I think the third one or the fourth dropped it. So yeah, let me know if you were able to get this. It should be able without the charter, doesn't matter which level. You should be able to trade in a first, if you did not do it in the past, one artifact, and then you should get the badge. So it should be possible to get it in free. And that all being said, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.